So for today, I will teach you on how to fix nearby people not showing on Telegram Android. So first, you just have to open your Telegram, and if it indicates an update button, you will need to update your Telegram and restart the app. And if your Telegram is not yet updated, you just have to navigate to Play Store or even App Store and just search for Telegram for you to able to update your application. And then after that, just enable and grant location by going to settings on your device and just select location or location services. Just toggle it for you to able to turn on access and make sure it is a high accuracy or use GPS, Wi-Fi, or even mobile networks is enabled. And to grant the location permissions on Telegram, you just have to go to settings and on the apps and notifications, which is the Telegram, just tap permissions and enable location permission. Set it to allow all the time or allow only while using the app. After that, you just have to clear cache and data if it is necessary by tapping on the settings and the applications and choose Telegram and just click storage and cache and you just have to clear the cache. And then, you just need to check your internet connection as well and make sure you have a stable internet if you're using a Wi-Fi or mobile data. And check your data saver mode isn't restricting Telegram's access. So if all of that doesn't work, you just have to reinstall the Telegram if it's needed. Just reinstall it on your Play Store if you use Android. And then make sure nearby people is available in your region, because Telegram may not support these features in all regions due to privacy or legal restrictions. And that's how you fix nearby people not showing on Telegram Android.